Hey there, I am Sherry Samuels, the voice coach, and as you know, each month I host 2 small group talking circles for women to create a space where we can connect, heal, learn, and grow on our own individual personal growth journeys. Well, as you know, I was offering a 20% discount through the end of yesterday, but I decided to extend it because why not? Isn't that what you do this time of year? Just offer a little extra. So, from now through the end of this week, at least, we will do a 20% discount on your ticket registration. Tickets are typically $15. That means you'll pay $12 to come join me for a wonderful conversation where you are going to walk away feeling full of all kinds of positive energy and ready to keep moving forward on your personal growth journey. One session, my Unmasked Voices session, is on December 12th. Connecting the Dots is on December 19th. To learn more, visit sherrysamuels.com.